Welcome to Best Useful Tips. In this video, I will show you how to fix Bluetooth not working, Bluetooth issue in a Google Pixel 10, 10 Pro, 10 Pro XL and any other Pixel device running the latest Android 16 version. Several users facing the Bluetooth issue like Bluetooth can't pair, Bluetooth not connecting with any other accessories or car accessories. So you can apply this solution to fix this Bluetooth issue on your Google Pixel 10 or other Android device. So let's see one by one. First solution is the simple, just turn the Bluetooth off and on your device. So swipe down the notification panel at the top. Here you can find the Bluetooth option. Tap on it to turn it off on your device. Wait for the 5 or 10 seconds. After that, again turn it on and check the Bluetooth is connect or not. Second solution is the restart your Pixel device. You can restart your Pixel device using the power button or swipe down the notification panel twice from the top. Tap on the power button at the bottom right corner. Tap on it. You can see the power menu. Tap on a restart to restart your Pixel device and try to connect any other Bluetooth device. Third solution is the clear the Bluetooth cache and data on your device. By default, hide the Bluetooth option in your system application. So you need to enable it by go to settings on the device, tap on apps, tap on a see all apps. Here scroll down and check for the Bluetooth, but you can't find the Bluetooth option here. So you need to enable system application. So tap on the three dots at the top right corner, tap on a show system. Now again scroll down and you can find the Bluetooth option or Bluetooth another option like Bluetooth MIDI services or Bluetooth option. Tap on it on your device. Now tap on the storage and cache option. Here you can find the clear cache option. So tap on the clear cache to clear the Bluetooth cache. Here we show 0 bytes, so we don't have any cache. So you can tap the clear cache if available cache on your device. After that, connect your Pixel 10 device with other Bluetooth device to check fix the issue. Fourth method is to forget the connection or repair it on your device. So to check for the connection, long press the Bluetooth icon on your device. Here you can see the can't connect option or you can see the list of device you connected. So tap on the setting gear icon on your device. So tap on the setting gear icon and you can find the forget option on your device. So tap on forgot. Now your phone will no longer be paired with Vivo. Tap on a forget device. Now remove the device. Now you need to again repair, like again long press the Bluetooth icon, tap on the pair new device, and here you can find the list of available device. Just tap on it and check the your device is connect with not on your any other devices. If you still facing the issue, check for the software update. Sometimes any minor security update will fix this small bugs like Wi-Fi issue, Bluetooth issue, or any other small app related issue. So check for the software update. So go to settings on your device, scroll down to system, tap on a system, again scroll down, tap on a software updates, tap on a system update, and check for a update. If available update, update your Google Pixel 10 device and turn on the Bluetooth and check fix the Bluetooth issue or not on your device. If you're still facing the issue, reset the network setting on your device or reset the Bluetooth setting on your phone. So to check for the Bluetooth settings, open the app drawer, open the settings app, scroll down, tap on a system, again scroll down. At the end, you can see the reset option. Tap on it on your phone. Tap on a reset Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. So tap on it. Here you can see this will reset all Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings. You can't undo this section. So when you tap on the reset button, it will delete all saved Bluetooth connection. Also delete the Wi-Fi connected. Here you can see connect the Wi-Fi or any other Bluetooth device connected. It will remove all the connections from your device. So you need to repair again your any devices or connect the Wi-Fi password again on your device. So tap on the reset button. Now here you can see Bluetooth and Wi-Fi have been reset. So now you need to enter your Wi-Fi password to use the Wi-Fi again and also connect the Bluetooth device on your Pixel device. Or If you still facing the issue, you need to check for the use the safe mode option. Safe mode option is the helpful to check if any third party application or downloaded application pushing the issue or not on your Google Pixel 10 series or any other Pixel device. So you can use the safe mode on your device. To enter your Pixel device into safe mode, open the power menu by swipe down the notification panel at the top. Upon the power button, here you can see the power menu. Now long press the power off. You can see reboot to safe mode option. Tap on OK to enter your Pixel 10 into safe mode. When you enter your Pixel device into safe mode, you can see safe mode icon at the bottom left corner of your device after enter your Pixel device into safe mode. On in the safe mode, you can't access the any third party application. You can only access the system default application. If you can't find any problem in the safe mode, it means any downloaded application or third party application causing the Bluetooth issue on your device. So after that, restart your device or power up your Google Pixel device to turn off the safe mode on your device. After turn off the safe mode, you can access all third party application or all application on your door on your device. Now find the application that causing the issue, or you can try to uninstall the recently installed application one by one and check for the how to fix this Bluetooth related issue on your device. After applying all these methods, if you can't facing the Bluetooth not working issue or Bluetooth issue, contact the Google support team or Google support forum. Thank you for watching this. If you find any related solution, also comment in the below section. Thanks for watching this.